is an engineering, manufacturing and technology company. Incorporated in 1996, it began its journey in 1998, and since then Karamtara has evolved as a leader in the transmission and distribution and solar segment of the power sector. In the past few years, Karamtara has made a significant contribution to the world of renewable energy. Karamtara has unmatched expertise in designing, production, testing and supply in all its products. Karamtara's business revolves around the 5 vertical structures, mainly solar power, lattice structure for transmission lines, fasteners and structural steel, hardware fitting accessories. Karamtara has world-class state-of-the-art integrated manufacturing facilities with the latest technologies and innovations. We strive for excellence in our approach, innovations, deliverables with commitment towards our customers. The manufacturing facilities of Karamtara are spread across 50 acres. Karamtara has successfully supplied its products of more than 1 million metric tons across the world in more than 35 countries.
Solar structures business. Karamtara is one of the largest manufacturer of solar module mounting structures (MMS) in India. Manufactures and supplies cold roll formed fixed structures such as C, strut rail, Z, sigma, L and hat sections and hot roll products for tracker based PV farms such as H-beam piers, thus making it as a truly unique global supplier.
Karamtara has one of the largest beam manufacturing facilities in India, having backward integration of rolling mills. Karamtara has established itself as a supplier of the entire range of wide flange steel beams with a capacity of around 150,000 metric tons. Karamtara has been approved for the supply of solar beams by many large corporates and EPC players and aggregators in the domestic and international arena, majorly in the US and Europe. Solar torque tube. Karamtara's torque tube production is a synthesis of the best mechanical performance, accurate material selection, high rotational torsional performance and best quality control. The state-of-the-art torque tube manufacturing plant has an installed capacity of 100,000 metric tons per annum with the facility of 100% online non-destructive eddy current test setup. The plant is capable of manufacturing most of the shapes of torque tubes like round, square, rectangular, pentagonal, hexagonal, octagonal, etc. depending on the requirements of the clients. Karamtara's internal synergy with other manufacturing segments helps us achieve the highest quality and timeliness in supply.
Lattice structures business. Karamtara is one of the largest lattice structure manufacturing facility in India. Karamtara's facilities are capable of manufacturing and supplying overhead transmission line towers, substation gantry and equipment structures, and telecommunication towers. Karamtara specializes in design, manufacturing, and supply of transmission line towers up to ultra-high voltage of 1200 kV, which is currently the highest system voltage used worldwide, with over 2 decades of experience and proven track record of delivering such products. Karamtara has successfully delivered over 650,000 metric tons of lattice structures to various clients around the globe in over 25 countries. Fasteners business. Yet 2003 showcased another step in Karamtara's quest for being a truly global, one-stop shop when it established a state-of-the-art fasteners manufacturing unit. With an installed capacity of 30,000 metric tons per annum, caters to the requirements in power generation, transmission and distribution, telecommunication, automobile and many more. The product line boasts of a vast range of bolts, nuts, anti-theft bolts and nuts, studs, foundation bolts, U-bolts, plain and spring washers, etc. Structural steel business. Year 2007 marked the rise of Karamtara when structural steel as a strategic business unit came into existence. It is one of the leading manufacturers of hot-rolled, high-tensile, HT and mild steel MS structural steel products in compliance with IS, BSEN, ASTM, JIS, DIN, Canadian standard grades and you name any, which is Karamtara's USP. Its product range includes angles, channels and H-beams, HEB, which find their application in transmission lines, solar PV farms, infrastructure, construction, industry,
hardware, fittings and accessories. Karamtara started overhead transmission line, hardware, fittings and accessories business in the year 2011, beginning with the acquisition of ISL Fame Mosseteria SRL, Italy, and the signing up of a technology license agreement with Wise Control in South Korea to cater to the demands of the transmission and distribution industry in both domestic and global markets. Karamtara has state-of-the-art hardware, fittings and accessories plant in Tarapur, Maharashtra, India,
to manufacture hardware, fittings and accessories for EHV transmission lines of 400 kilowatt,
500 kilowatts, 765 kilowatts and above ratings. Its plant uses modern testing facilities and has been certified in compliance with ISO 9001:2015, ISO 14001:2015 and ISO 45001:2018 standards.
Design and engineering. Karamtara deploys the best tools such as PLS, SolidWorks, BoCAD, AutoCAD and Nirvana, which is the shop fabrication drawing automation tool. Karamtara presently undertakes the design and engineering works for a complete transmission line and substations besides being an expert in superstructures. Karamtara has a special understanding for the full-scale load testing of its towers for design verification and validation with CSIR, SERC located at Chennai. Corporate Social Responsibility (CSR). Karamtara also plays an active part in its Corporate Social Responsibility (CSR) program related to the environment, consumers, employees, communities and all stakeholders. Karamtara, a company with a truly global spirit.